Click for IB Biology. We're doing mitosis and we've arrived at the anaphase where the pairs of chromatids are moved apart. There's a blank PDF of this presentation down in the description. You can annotate that with your own notes. And when you've done with your own notes and watching the video, you can do the 10 questions, which are also down there, and of course the answers to check your understanding. In the channel links, there's an AI prompt that you can launch into a chatbot of your choice, and this will actually run a multiple choice quiz for you of increasing difficulty. So it'd be interesting to see how far you can get in the details of that. So let's take a look at the anaphase. Now, if we're to recognize the anaphase in our exams, what we're looking for are a separation of the chromatids towards the poles. The poles of the cell would be here and here. So this is a true image of chromatids being separated in this fashion. And we're going to ultimately, what we'll have is the equatorial line. We'll have one cell here and one cell here. So we're separating the pairs of sister chromatids. This is achieved by a spindle fiber shortening mechanism. I'm going to do a video following this one to detail how that actually works. The copies of the chromatids move towards opposite poles, and in fact there's even some cell elongation as the actual cell starts to elongate at that point as we get the chromosome segregation, the separation of the pairs of sister chromatids. So we're back to chromosomes when they're separated. And the cyclins have a checkpoint. Cyclins coming in one of the later videos in this sequence. So recognizing anaphase in images in an exam, we're looking for a separation from the metaphase. The chromosomes are very condensed and they're forming these very distinctive V-shapes as they're dragged through the cytoplasm by the contraction of these spindles. There's a motor system that does that, and that's what we're going to take a look at next. So spindle motors are coming up next before we do the telophase. There's the playlist, and of course the chance to subscribe to the channel should you wish to.